Now we are going to see semantic idea in optimization ideas under the topic on-page SEO checker. Click the drop-down and choose semantic. Now I am going to this landing page. Click the idea button. First we see what is an semantic SEO. Semantic SEO is optimizing a content with keywords and related words. Okay, let me see the detailed analytics. In this landing page, I focused on the keyword Google Analytics demo account, but we have also write some related words where the user need these words with this topic. Semrush will give 20 related words from top 10 competitors. In the second column, we can find whether we have used these related words or not. In that column, we can find how many times top 10 competitors used the related words. Fourth and fifth column tells about usage of related words in terms of percentage. Sixth, seventh, eighth column tells about tf-idf value of related words. tf-idf means term frequency inverse document frequency. It is a SEO technique which helps to know importance of a word in a document.